Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you something really interesting. It's the DTEC CaDa something double EE assembly toy, block toy. I'm going to call it the way that the Chinese that are selling it are calling it, because they are calling this a block toy set. This is actually a Lego clone, and this also includes a power system that you can buy from Lego. And if you are going to buy this power system, it's going to cost you something like 5 or 6 times the price of this kit. And with this kit you are going to get the power system and the whole car that you are seeing on this picture, and that means including a remote control that works on radio. It's 2.5G. It has a rechargeable battery, a servo steering, and a motor. All of that is including inside, and there are something like around 500 pieces there, and you are going to be able to build several options of this car. Actually, you can choose your transmission gearing. You can transform this in a fast-speed car for asphalt or straight roads, or you can make this as a climb car or off-road car with low gearing. I'm not going to bore you with showing you what's inside, because you are going to see it anyway, but I'm going to show you some of the details. So you are going to get a fully pictured manual that shows you step by step how to build it, and you can see that this is actually Lego style manual, and there's a lot to work on this car, a lot of parts and gearing and stuff like that. And they also include you some other models. You may see this very popular, and you may know it from the Lego systems. It has parts here, part inventory, so that's very useful. They even have an app on the web like Lego does. And you are going to have this manual also included. This is for the transmitter, and it gives you some warnings and shows you how the power brick works. And the final result is this one, a really nice 4x4 truck that features kind of a working suspension, but not by much, and it has gearing, it has differentials, it has everything that needed. It's flexible, it's a rock climbing crawler car. It has servo steering in front, it has the motor here on the center, and it has drive shafts to front and back. It has articulated drive shafts, one here, and it's 4x4. It looks nice, and of course it also works nice. This is the battery pack here, which is rechargeable. I can power this on by quick press here. I can show that it's now working, and I'm going to power on the transmitter. The transmitter is now working, and come back here. You can see it working right there. And of course I have steering, servo steering, which is really nice. And now this is set up for a slow speed climbing, because I want to have better control over it. So this is a really nice toy and very cheap, very fun to build. Quality of the parts, it's similar with the Lego ones. Easy to assemble. Plastic quality is decent, not just like original Lego, but quality is there, actually better than other sets that are on the market. And everything is Lego, like even the tires, which are very soft silicone tires. Everything is disassembled, so you can have a lot of fun making this in one piece and working. So if you are interested in similar sets, not only by this set but a lot of other sets, be sure to check the link that I have left on my video description. You can find there a lot of similar models, and there are plenty of stuff to have, and they are cheap, really cheap. This was actually less than $40. I got it on a flash sale, so it's really fine. And not for the truck itself, but actually for the power system, because if you are a Lego fan and already have Lego Technic and want to buy the power kit, the power kit is very expensive, and you actually get the power kit as a bonus for this car itself, which is amazing. So be sure to follow my channel. I'm going to upload probably more videos with this kind of cheap Lego clone sets or whatever, because I really like them because of the cost, of course. So until next time, bye bye.